Now, if you're following tech today, you are seeing that Facebook is seeing some gains this Wednesday, but Facebook employees, roughly 11,000 of them, are being shown the door after Facebook parent Meta laid off more than 11,000 employees today. A company-wide move that was widely expected as Mark Zuckerberg's company continues to struggle through a downturn. Now, the 11,000 pay slips impacted roughly 13% of Meta's overall workforce and marks the most significant layoffs in the company's history. Prior to these cuts, Meta had more than 87,000 employees throughout the globe. But things have not been going so well as of late for Meta because Meta stock has plunged more than 70% this year alone, as Mark Zuckerberg pours billions into a troubled metaverse project amid sagging ad revenue and declines in its own user base. Why pour so much into a new product when your current product is leaking profits? And Zuckerberg did not shy away from this decision. He apologized to employees regarding the layoffs in a company-wide memo. And he also admitted that he had underestimated the extent to which Meta's revenue would decline during the company's recent slump. He also went on to acknowledge the company has overspent on his watch, noting that he, in quotes, made the decision to significantly increase our investments while betting that the pandemic-era e-commerce boom would be a permanent trend. He also went on to add, unfortunately, this did not play out the way I expected. Not only has online commerce returned to prior trends, but the macroeconomic downturn, increased competition, and ad signal loss have caused our revenue to be much lower than I'd expected. I got this wrong, and I take responsibility for that. Those are big words from a big man who also outlined additional cost-cutting moves, including cuts to discretionary spending and extending a company-wide hiring freeze through the first quarter of next year. And if you're wondering, what about the workers? Well, those workers that lost their jobs here in the U.S. will receive a minimum 16 weeks of severance, health insurance, career services, and will be compensated for any outstanding paid time off. So there you go. Meta trimming the Facebook fat amid a lack of profit. 11,000 persons are out of a job. And now the question is, what does this mean for Meta next year? Will the lack of profit continue? Will the Metaverse be suspended? Will more people be laid off? Or will Zuckerberg's dream become a reality and this was all a big flash in the pan? Share your thoughts below. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.